Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to adjust line spacing in Word. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Line spacing is the space between each line in a paragraph. Word allows you to customize the line spacing to be single space, one line height, double spaced, two lines height, or any other amount you want. The default spacing in Word is 1.8 line, which is slightly larger than the single space. So in this video, we'll show you how to adjust the line spacing on your Word document. So first of all, we have to open the Word doc. Now, so here's want to adjust this text line spacing, you can just block on the text that you want to adjust the spacing line. This one for example. Now here's this one on your home menu ribbon. There is an option on the paragraph section. There is like this icon, line and paragraph spacing. You can just click on that, and in here you can just adjust your line spacing. You can choose this 1.0 or 1.15. These are two. It's very simple, right? So here's the section on the paragraph section where you can adjust your line spacing on your Word. It's very simple, right? So that is how to adjust line spacing on your Word. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.